Hello, my name's Paul and this is my 2003 Land Rover Defender. In my last video, I explained how I was preparing it for a road trip that my wife and I were proposing to take, and it's going to be a camping road trip. In the video, I asked if anybody could advise me on whether I should use a ground tent or a roof tent. Anyway, as you can see, subsequently, I've gone for the roof tent option. And in this video I'm going to show how I prepare my Defender to receive the roof tent and steps I've taken to actually fit it. Also, I fitted an awning, as you can see, and I just show how I fit that. Incidentally, if you've got an interest in Land Rover Defenders, you might want to check out my other channel, Land Rover TD5 Preservation. Thank you for watching, and if you can, please subscribe. It does help give incentive to create more content. Thank you very much.